Experience the perfect interplay of the SIMATIC S7-1200 with a new task-oriented engineering framework, modular controllers, and the integrated WinCC BASIC for the configuration of SIMATIC panels. The podcast gives an overview of the interplay of the editors. Chapter 1. Interplay of Program and Hardware Editors. The device view shows the device components photorealistically. The names of the inputs and outputs on the controller can be directly read from the images. For the contacts and coils in the program block, symbolic names have already been defined. The symbolic names are directly assigned to the inputs and outputs of the hardware modules with the help of drag and drop. The tag table is automatically updated. Changes on the tags are instantly applied by all editors. This ensures data and project consistency at all times. In the assignment plan, the newly assigned inputs and outputs are marked. Chapter 2. Interplay of the program editors with WinCC. You have the option to integrate tags directly from the programming editor in a process screen. In the minimized view of the FBD editor, simply drag the desired tag in the screen by the intelligent drag and drop. A new input and output field is created. In the process, the connection between the controller and the HMI device is created automatically. In the editor of the network view, the graphic networking and the connection of the devices is instantly updated. Chapter 3. Cross-references of the tags. In a program block, you can specifically call the reference information of a certain tag using the context menu. The references are automatically updated for each tag. The links in the list are the shortest way to reach the positions in the screens and the program blocks. Chapter 4. Summary. The perfect interplay of the editors is demonstrated by the displayed functionalities. Assign the symbolic names for the hardware directly via drag and drop. Automatic updating of the PLC tag table. Updating of the assignment plan. Drag tag directly from the program editor to the HMI screen. Automatic creation of the connection between PLC and HMI. Updating of the HMI connection in the network view and the automatic updating of the references for each tag. The configuration and programming effort is considerably reduced through the interplay of the editors and is therefore more efficient. Additional information is provided on our website.